Hello kids, today I'm going to share with you number counting with colors. These are colors. Today we are going to learn number counting 1 to 15. Let's learn the color name. These are colors. These are colors. This is orange color. What color is this? This is orange color. Orange color. Orange color. This is red color. Red color. Red color. This is green color. What color is this? This is green color. And this is yellow color. What color is this? This is yellow color. Yellow color. And lastly, the color name is black. Everyone knows the color name. This is black color. Let's start the video. Orange color. Orange color. One. One. Red color. Two. Two. Green color. Three. Three. Yellow color. Four. Four. Black color. Black color. Five. Five. Yellow color. Yellow color. Six. Six. Orange color. Orange color. Seven. Seven. Red color. Red color. Eight. Eight. Black color. Black color. Nine. Nine. Green color. Green color. 10. 10. Orange color. Orange color. 11. 11. Red color. Red color. 12. 12. Black color. Black color. 13. 13. Green color. Green color. 14. 14. Yellow color. Yellow color. 15. 15.